Time to dig up these potatoes. I am harvesting this area of potatoes. They're all just about died back all the way. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull them out. Plus I wanna get my sweet potatoes, winter squash, and things like that in. So we are starting over here, and then I'm going to dig up this row over here. Just gonna come in and loosen up the soil. Ooh. Beautiful. What a start. Nice. Let's keep digging. These ones were from seed potatoes. Yes. Are we going to get rain? Aren't we? Potato right there. Ooh, look at that. It's just like so perfect. Cool. Just the one. Oh, dang it. Come on, come on, come on. It is. Here, I gotta harvest these too. Going. They're definitely like the same size as the other ones I harvested. Ooh, missed one in the pile. Kind of just want to try out like a regular shovel. Nice. All right, some more. Dude, it's like a little weird frog. Toad? It's like a little weird thing. Now I'm gonna have to remember where that is so I don't step on it. Oh, that's better. Maybe I should start using the shovel. Nice. Yeah, I like the shovel. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and like pre-dig a few of them back and then like re-go through. Like dug that one out a little bit already. Grab those potatoes, Gabe. Grab the potatoes. Of course, I go inside for 2 seconds. Ah. I'll have to finish digging later. To be continued.